What's up everyone, my name is Justin Odisho, and in this video I'm going to share 5 awesome split screen video effect ideas and how to do them in Adobe Premiere Pro. So to get started, I have a couple example clips laid out on my timeline, and the thing we want to keep in mind during this tutorial is that Premiere Pro works in layers. So here we have V1, V2, V3, V4. So these are 4 different tracks for me to stack and mix footage on top of each other. And you see the top layers first and everything underneath it, whatever's left behind it. So I'm only going to be using these 4 tracks for this example, but you can always just drag a clip up and it'll create a new track as many times as you need. So to begin, let's build our first stylish split screen effect, and that's the horizontal split with 2 videos stacked on top of each other. So let me take this video clip here of some flamingos and place it on top of this other video clip of some flamingos, why not? And there's many different ways that you can go about doing this effect with overlays and track mats and things like that. But I've found that a really simple method is to just use the crop tool, and that's in the transform video effects folder, and just drag it on the clip on top in this case, because everything underneath is going to show. So depending on how we want to crop things, we can just adjust the parameters in the video effects controls panel. And for this case, I'll crop the bottom of this clip 50% for a clean 50-50 split. Now we have the bottom video playing and the top video playing at the same time. Now if I want to reverse that, I can always go to 0 on this bottom portion and choose 50 for the top instead. And I can always adjust the position, right, if I don't want to crop out important things on both of these clips. And you can make it 50-50 straight down the middle, or you can keep it kind of like a lower thirds and an upper thirds, whatever you want, 2/3, 1/3. So there's many different ways that you can create variations on this horizontal split screen effect. And then another stylistic touch that you can use for all of these effects is creating a little bar of separation. Go to File, New, Color Matte, and create your own border lines right in Premiere Pro. So let's say I want to have a black border, press OK. That'll add a new color matte file in my project media bin. I'll drag it on top of everything. You can even drag it on top of a new layer if you want to be safe and give yourself working room. And I can do the same thing with this. I can add a crop effect, except this time I will just drag the top in right there and the bottom in right there. We got a thin little line, and I can move it so that it acts like a border between these. And next, let's go on to number 2. I'm going to be a lot quicker here because it's basically the same idea, but just in different stylistic patterns. So if I want to stack this clip on top of this one, I'll drag it in there. We can just still use the crop method on the top layer. And let's just crop in the left side, let's say 50%. And now we have a split screen of this and the road. And again, you can adjust the positioning and the crop if you don't want to cut out important information, or if you just want to frame it in an interesting visual way depending on what's in the shot. Now for the third one, let's say we wanted to add more than just 2 videos to either of these examples. So in this case, I could just drag another clip on top of another track above, and I can apply the same crop method and just make sure you fit all 3 of the videos in line. And remember, a really cool thing that you can do actually is animate between all of these. So you could start it like this, or start it with one full screen and use keyframes on the crop. So you could keyframe this one in from 0 or 100% actually to 63. So it slowly comes in, and you could keyframe each layer if you want there to be animation involved in these. Moving on, another cool way that we can split a screen up between, let's say, even more, you can do this bar method for as many videos as you want. You can squeeze 4, 5, 6 videos in here if you want to do a bunch of thin strips. So same with the horizontal method, you can squeeze a bunch of horizontal videos in there. So the variations are pretty endless. But let's say we wanted to squeeze them in a different split screen style. Let's stack 1, 2, 3, 4 videos on top of each other. And we'll go to the scale of each clip and turn it to 50% or 50 of 100. And then we can just adjust the position of these to meet at one edge. So each of them will meet on the edge, and go through each of them and do a 50, 50, 50. So one, before I even continue here, we've got a variation of split screen here where we have 1, 2, 3 split. It's kind of like 3 boxes. Or you can just keep going and make 4 boxes. But you get the idea. Make sure you get in there, make sure all the lines are perfect. But we have a 4 split screen effect, and you can do any variation of this, like 2 boxes here and 1 long rectangle here, 2 here, rectangle there, opposites, all of that. But finally, for an effect that might be a bit unique, we can do a diagonal type of crop. So in this case, we can just check the mask option under the opacity, click our pen tool or free draw, make sure we have enough working room. So in this case, I'm actually going to zoom out to like 25%. And I can make a diagonal line cutting across the entire image, coming back in. And now I have a literal split screen, but in a diagonal way. One thing I'm going to do is turn the feathering down on the mask. It defaults at 10, which makes it a little fuzzy. But for a split screen, I like a nice crisp line. And again, you'd want to just make sure that the mask position is where you want. But all in all, these are 5 different examples. Really can flip them to be like 100 different variations of unique and fun split screen effect ideas in Adobe Premiere Pro and how to do them with cropping, masking, and layer organization. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to check out more Premiere Pro tutorials, I have a full playlist on my channel. I also have tons of After Effects and Photoshop topics covered on my channel. And if you want to subscribe, you can stick around for all of the videos I make, from podcast interviews with other creators, live streams, and more. So check it out, subscribe, leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comments. And make sure you follow me on social media at Justin Odisho on Instagram and Twitter to keep in touch with me, behind the scenes, and more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.